Hello everyone, we are talking to Narendra Bharat ji. How are you, sir?
I'm good, very good. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. He is Chairman and Managing Director for Aristo Bio-Tech and Life Sciences Limited, and we are talking to him today. So, sir, please tell us about your core business.
Yeah, our company's core business is manufacturing of agrochemicals, basically formulations. And we have been established in 2005. And slowly we have grown up and added most of the formulation facilities. Because in agrochemical, there are different type of formulations. Broadly, liquid, powder, granules. But among all these, also there are different categories. Like liquid, we have the EC formulation, SC formulation, SL formulation. Likewise, in powder, there is WP, there is SP, and granules, there is WDG, SG formulations. So different facilities are required for formulation of these things, and we are having most of the facilities. So our core business is manufacturing of agrochemicals formulations.
Okay. So, what are the unique strengths of the company?
Our unique, one point I will make here that we have been supplying consistent quality because our emphasis is based basically on the quality, supplying the quality product at a reasonable rate to most of the customer. And like we are not into brand business, but we supply branded product to other companies. It has to be supply on time because our business is related to agriculture and window is very small. So during that period, all the products has to be supplied. So we cater to most of the customer and supply in time with a consistent quality and reasonable pricing.
Okay. So, what have been the major achievements of the company?
Yeah, our major achievements, like we have started at a very humble beginning, but slowly we have grown. We have achieved in 2017, we have achieved 100 crore business. That is, these businesses without the brand business. Brand business, you have an edge where you can grow your turnover, top lines. But our major business is B2B and toll manufacturing. In that also segment, in these segments also, we have achieved in 2017, we have achieved 100 crore and we have crossed 200 crore by 222, 23. And we have gone for an MSME IPO, which was a tremendous success. And we could be able to list our company. These are the major achievements of the company, I can say.
Okay. So, since you had come out with the IPO, so all the funds are utilized?
Yeah, all these funds we have asked those funds for the working capital needs only, and it is all funds are infused in the business, and with that help of this, we are expanding our business needs from there,
Okay.
which is evident in this year because this year was a very bad year in the sense that there was a reduction in the inventory prices. Number two, the monsoon was very erratic. There was a gap of about 1 month stretch where there was no rains during the monsoon season. And as our business is directly related to the agriculture, it is mostly dependent on the monsoon. So all these factors were there, but we have able to, today we have published our result. We have submitted to NSC, and we are able to cross the top line of last year's against last year, in spite of all these drawbacks, as well as marginally our profitability has also gone up as compared to last year.
Okay. So, how do you look at opportunities?
Yeah, agrochemical business is growing at the rate of almost percent plus, and so there is a lot of opportunities. Also, there are many products has been off patent off late during the last year. There were many products which molecules which were under patents are now off patent. So this gives us opportunity to add to our portfolio those products also, and able to cater to the customers at a better price, because when it is patented, it is sold at a very higher price, and once it is off patent, the prices goes down, so which is beneficial. So these are the opportunities, and agriculture as a business, it is growing. Irrigation areas under irrigation is increasing day by day. People are using advanced techniques, high yielding varieties, and it is a continuous process where food production is growing. So for the agrochemical sector, as for there is a lot of opportunities,
Right.
and we look at it very positively.
Right. So can you please tell us about the government support and support you are looking for, which is not given by the government?
No, government is supporting, and they are if we take state governments, Gujarat government is very industry friendly, and we get 24 hours supply of electricity. We don't have any other issues about that. And Government of India is also looking at many possibilities of production link incentive schemes for this sector also, wherein dependence upon the China has to be reduced for the intermediate production and all that, raw material production and all that. So this is going to happen in coming years. A lot of investments are coming in. Most of the large companies as well as the small companies are going in for backward integration, where they will be less dependent on raw material from China, and government support is there.
Okay. So are you planning for any expansion or forward integration?
Yeah, we are planning for expansion. Our expansions are ongoing process. Is right now also we are going up whatever facilities which we don't have. We are installing those facility to make most of the product in house. So that process is going on, and by January onwards we will be having more capacity on certain type of formulation, which still we are lacking. So all these things will be certainly giving us an opportunity to increase our top as well as the bottom line. And it is an ongoing process. You know, there is always some innovation and new technique comes, and we keep on adapting it.
Okay. So who are your blue chip clients?
Yeah, normally we are catering to as our business is mainly B2B, and our branded formulation we are supplying to Sinochem India, one of the Chinese multinational, Syngenta India, another multinational, Albag and Rotom Crop Private Limited, which is also a multinational company, and National Fertilizers Limited, which is an mini Navratna company of Government of India. So these are our main customers. Besides this, we are dealing with most of the large Indian companies also, like Gada Chemicals, UPL, all they are. We have some sort of business. Either we are buying from them, or at some point of time we are supplying also them, whatever their formulation requirement. As I told you, during the season there is a lot of pressure for the supply in time. So that time, many of these large company comes to us for their requirement. So we cater to them.
Okay. So what would you like to say about quality standards, R&D and innovation?
Yeah, quality is a far most important factor in our this thing, because it is like a medicine for the plants. So you have to, as per the guidelines of BIS standard and Central Insecticide Board guidelines, we have to manufacture product as per that guidelines, and we certainly take very much care for that, because otherwise the pest will not be controlled and the crop get damaged. So quality is a most important factor in this business, and we take care of it. Innovations is an ongoing process. Many new molecules are getting innovated by large multinationals mainly, and large Indian companies, because that requires a lot of funding as well as a long gestation period for coming out of new molecules. But we are also adapting as soon as it is available under Me Too registration to us. So we are doing that. And R&D also we are going in for, like our company is also going in for NABL accreditation, and in future we are going to put up our R&D center also. So these are very important support system for the any industry, and having available, it will be always be useful. So that is the point on that.
Okay. So what are the financial strengths?
Yeah, financial strength right now we have got good support with the IPO, as well as we are getting bank is also financing us. As our business is, I told you, agriculture. So there is always a cycle gets delayed, because there are two cropping pattern in the country. So our customer mostly, their end user is a farmer. Farmer is getting money only after when the one crop rotation comes. So like first Kharif rotation comes out at the time of Deepavali. So post Deepavali. But suppose we supply somebody in the month of June or July, that payment we don't get within 90 days. It is stretched out because of the cropping pattern. And once the crop comes, then it goes to the market, sold, then payment comes with the farmer. He gives it to the dealer gives to the company. So there is some stretch is there, but financially it is right now we are okay. We have been able to get this working capital support under our IPO. Yeah. So
Okay. So what
right
is
now we are
your...
doing good.
Yeah, sorry. Sorry. Tell me, sir.
Yeah, right now it is okay.
Okay. So what is your vision, and how do you foresee the future for next 3 years?
Yeah, our vision, as I told you, we are going in for expansion, for adding on the facilities. Then we are making some improvement in existing facility where we can increase our productivity as well as capacity utilization. And we are also going in for a tie-up with some companies where we are going for backward integration. So adding all these things, I think our growth will be in coming 3 years' time. We should continuously grow at the rate of around 10 to 15% average. This is our plan and vision for this thing. And continuously, we would like to supply our customer the best quality product at a reasonable pricing and in time.
Okay. So what message you would like to give to the investors?
Yeah, I think I will tell that ours is a performance-based company. We believe in a performance as well as doing business on ethics. We follow the strictly all compliances. We follow the statutory. There is no default on statutory. All these norms we follow. So it is up to them to decide on that, because our work is to perform. That's all.
Right.
And result automatically will come. This is why is my thought on that.
Very true, sir. So, any other point you would like to add?
Thank you very much. I would like to say to everybody, Happy Diwali for coming Diwali, and looking for a good years ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was our pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.